And these are the short vowels coming at you. Give me an A. Give me an E. Give me an I. Give me an O. Give me a U. What I like reading, how about you? And you, and you, and you, and you, and you. So, I. Please keep the last door shut. A, I. A, I. A,
Hit the subscribe button right here on YouTube and visit my website to get started today. Let's make learning your child's superpower.